The EMA 50, by and large, is as of now at $0.001 in a sort of enormous manner. The $0.000744695 support level for SPEL United States dollar generally is areas of strength for truly, in opposition to prevalent thinking. SPEL United States dollar really is gone up against with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bears control SPEL's kind of current cost activities in a for the most part huge manner. 04 October 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through especially SPEL truly token cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some pressing issues, facts. What truly is especially transient cost expectation for explicitly SPEL token, fundamentally is in every practical sense, SPEL an excellent speculation, which essentially is very critical. SPEL really token help and opposition levels and so forth, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging pretty profound into the SPEL specialized examination, for the most part allowed us really to discuss the extremely current economic situations in an especially significant manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,089,351,604,007 in a significant manner. The truly complete exchanging volume especially remains at $29,442,584,216, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin shares 49.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Which brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,738.63 level after a vertical development of 1.56%, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.28%, coming to $1,646.63 during the past 24 hours, showing how for the most part SPEL commonly token help and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.46, following a value change of 0.18% inside a similar time span in an extremely enormous manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 4.07 and as of now exchanging at 53 cents in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how the EMA 50, in every practical sense, is as of now at $0.001, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions generally show that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending heading for sort of present moment, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, a truly broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which certainly is genuinely huge. SPEL certainly token help and opposition backing and obstruction, sort of are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which basically is very critical. Support really is a level at which purchasers for the most part become significantly more essentially dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, in every practical sense. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which merchants by and large become move kind of dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that the EMA 50, in every practical sense, is at present at $0.001 in a very enormous manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of truly SPEL essentially token, SPEL, in a real sense, SPEL kind of symbolic execution. The cost of certainly SPEL certainly token, SPEL, for the most part is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week. Showing that the $0.000744695 support level for SPEL United States dollar generally is areas of strength for truly, so they in a real sense thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while genuinely all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, showing how these occasions essentially demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a kind of descending course for sort of momentary in a quite large manner. There especially are practically 103,446,920,678 in every way that really matters are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell fundamentally token value examination basically spell cost investigation for 04 October 2023 inside a very day-to-day time span generally made sense of underneath, showing how yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the spell specialized investigation, especially let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving most certainly normal assembly and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the spell token. Showing how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the spell specialized examination, truly let us in every practical sense discuss the sort of current economic situations, which really is genuinely critical. While Spell's Williams %R pointer especially is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign certainly is conceivable at this reach, so Bitcoin shares 49.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33% in an extremely significant manner. The spell United States dollar moving in every way that really matters, normal combination and difference, MACD, pointer, generally is demonstrating a genuinely momentary sort of sell kind of sign, as the MACD line explicitly is moving underneath genuinely signal line, which sort of means explicitly bears sort of a ruling on the lookout. Showing how Bitcoin shares 49.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is very critical. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may fundamentally track down help at these critical degrees of $0.00082290, $0.00074695, moving beneath these levels, could explicitly carry the cost to $0.00068490, showing how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,738.63 level after a vertical development of 1.56%, which basically is very huge. On the especially opposite side, the obstruction levels explicitly are at $0.009690 and $0.001, exhibiting that the $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar certainly is areas of strength.